Okay, today we're going to talk about how to save Microsoft documents into a PDF. So I have a Word document open here. What I'm going to do is go to the File tab. And then on the menu on the left-hand side right here, I'm going to go down to where it says Save As. I am not using the Save as Adobe PDF. I'm using the Save As. And once that opens, go ahead and navigate to wherever you're going to save it. I'm going to save it right here in this folder. Then when this new window opens, look down here for the word Save As Type. And then there's a drop-down arrow right over on the far end of what it is, the current type now. And you go and look for PDF. And once it says Save as PDF, then you click Save. And it opens up as your PDF. Same thing with an Excel. Here's an Excel spreadsheet. Again, File, go down that left column to Save As. Navigate to wherever you want to save it. You can hit Browse and go that way. I've already got it over here in my current folder. Save as Type. Right here it says Excel Workbook, and we're just going to change it to PDF. And then we're going to save. So it's standard printing is the best way. And I always like to open it and look at it when it's finished to make sure it's correct. And you see, made a PDF of that document. And then lastly, we're going to use a PowerPoint. Again, File, Save As. The current folder is, I'm just deleting things here, so save. Oops, did I want to do that? No, let's just cancel. So I want to choose the Save As type. Save as PDF. Again, standard. Open it after publishing. Save. And it opens it to a PDF. And the reason I use it as a Save As instead of just the other button, the other PDF button, is I'm going to show you. I'll go here to File, Save as Adobe PDF. And I'm going to name this to and when it opens, you can see there's little subtle differences on the PDFs. Let me make them bigger so you can see a little bit better. So this one over here, the number one is the one we did Save As. You see the check marks a little bit clearer. These graphics right here are clearer. They don't have that extra little line on them. You can really tell on the red ones right here. So you're just really looking at the 36%. You don't want to see all this extra lines and stuff. And that's one of the reasons. It also makes some back end things in the background, make it a little more difficult to make 508 compliant. So that's how you do that for all the different Microsoft Office items. And that's all for today.